What's the first thing that comes to mind when you think of Toyota? Reliability, right? Maybe the Camry or the Corolla. But what if I told you there's a Toyota that offers all that legendary dependability, but wrapped in a package of near-luxury, comfort, and space? That's right, we're talking about the often overlooked hero of the Toyota lineup, the Avalon. For over 2 decades, the Avalon has been the flagship sedan, the quiet giant offering a premium experience without the premium price tag. Today, we're diving deep into why the Toyota Avalon is a masterclass in comfort and longevity, and why it might just be the smartest used car purchase you can make. So, what exactly is the Avalon? Think of it as a Camry that went to business school, got a promotion, and now enjoys the finer things in life. It's built on a similar platform, but stretched out to give you an incredible amount of interior space, especially in the back seat. This isn't just a car, it's a mobile lounge. The ride quality is where the Avalon truly shines. It's engineered to soak up bumps and road imperfections, giving you a serene, quiet cabin that feels isolated from the chaos of the outside world. Long road trips. They don't feel long in an Avalon. Your daily commute through pothole-ridden streets, it suddenly becomes a lot more pleasant. Toyota absolutely nailed the suspension tuning for maximum comfort. Today, under the hood of most Avalons, you'll find Toyota's legendary 3.5-litre V6 engine. This isn't a high-strung, turbocharged 4-cylinder. This is a smooth, powerful, and ridiculously reliable workhorse. It delivers effortless acceleration when you need it, but it's happiest just cruising along, barely breaking a sweat. This engine is famous for its longevity. It's not uncommon to see these V6 engines rack up 200,000, 300,000, or even more miles with just regular maintenance. We're talking oil changes, filters, and timing belts at the proper intervals. Do that, and this engine will likely outlast many other parts of the car. It's the heart of the Avalon's long-term value proposition. Now let's talk about that interior. Stats inside an Avalon, especially a later model in a higher trim like the Limited ad, and you might think you're in a Lexus. The materials are high quality with soft-touch plastics, available leather upholstery, and tasteful wood or aluminum trim. The fit and finish are exceptional, with tight panel gaps and a solid, well-put-together feel. V-seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long-haul comfort. Plus, they're packed with features. Heated and ventilated front seats, a premium JBL sound system, a large touchscreen. The Avalon does you and skimp on the tech and creature comforts that make driving a genuine pleasure. So, if it's so great, why did Toyota discontinue it? The market simply shifted. As buyers flocked to SUVs and crossovers, sales for large sedans like the Avalon began to decline across the board. But here's the silver lining for you, the savvy car buyer. This creates an incredible opportunity on the used market. The Avalon's depreciation is often steeper than a Camry's. Mini, you can get a whole lot of car for your money. You can find a well-maintained, low-mileage 5-year-old Avalon for the price of a brand-new, smaller, less-equipped car. You get Lexus level comfort and space, combined with bulletproof Toyota reliability, all at a fantastic value. It's a true hidden gem for those who prioritize a comfortable ride and long-term ownership over having the latest trendy SUV. In conclusion, the Toyota Avalon is a testament to a time when a big, comfortable sedan was the king of the road. It offers a supremely quiet and smooth ride, a spacious and luxurious interior, and a powertrain that is renowned for its longevity. 2. While it may no longer be in production, its legacy as a reliable and comfortable cruiser lives on. If you're looking for a used car that will pamper you on your daily commute and last for years to come, you absolutely have to put the Toyota Avalon at the top of your list. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more car deep dives. See you next time.